Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will learn how to pronounce the word ingredients. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. The recipe called for a list of ingredients, including flour, sugar, eggs, and vanilla extract. Ingredients are individual substances or components that are combined to form a mixture or recipe, providing flavor, texture, and nutrition. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.